Sanjay Dutt, convicted and sentenced under the Arms Act, is now in jail. The Bollywood actor spent a night at Mumbai's Arthur Road jail as he prepares now to spend the next 3.5 years behind bars. Now, of course, it is up to jail authorities to really decide when to move him possibly to the Yerwada jail in Pune.
Accompanied by his family, actor Sanjay Dutt making his way to surrender before the Tada court in Mumbai. But it took hours for the court formalities to be completed.
Late on Thursday night at around 9 p.m, Sanjay Dutt finally left the Sessions Court to head towards Arthur Road Jail. He used the back gate of this court in order to avoid the shutterbugs. As far as whether Sanjay Dutt will be moved from Arthur Road Jail to Yerwada Jail and when that will exactly happen, that is obviously a decision that the jail administration will be taking as per their procedure. It's not known very much right now, but as far as the delay in leaving the Sessions Court premises is concerned, his lawyers say that is because of two applications which had been filed. One was the surrender application and the other obviously the amenities application, also the conviction warrant which had to be put together. All of this causing a delay in Sanjay Dutt leaving the court premises, but now he is at Arthur Road Jail and he will be shifted very soon towards Yerwada Jail in Pune.
Sanjay Dutt's family leaving by the back gate to avoid media attention.
It's bound to hurt him. So he was definitely in a shell. He was not the same Sanjay Dutt that I know personally. He was always in a shell. But now he knows that yes, the time has come, I have to go inside, I have to undergo the remaining of the sentence. Slowly and steadily things will settle down.
Convicted for possession of illegal arms in the 93 blast case, Sanjay Dutt will spend the next 3.5 years in jail.
So finally, Bollywood actor Sanjay Dutt was brought here at Mumbai's Arthur Road Jail at around 9:30 p.m. on Thursday. It took him more than 6 hours to complete the surrender procedure before the designated Tada court, and that's why jail authorities decided to keep him here only in Arthur Road Jail for Thursday night. So out of total 5 years, Sanjay Dutt has already served 18 months in prison and will be spending 3.5 years more in the jail.
There are reports that Sanjay Dutt's lawyers will be moving a curative petition in the Supreme Court. But for now, the actor will have to undergo the sentence. He's been sentenced. Bureau Report, Times Now.
And Mayank now joins me live. Mayank, most of the formalities relating actually to the surrender would now be over. So how soon are the police hoping to shift him to Yerwada?
See, all the formalities related to shifting from here are completed, but now the issue is the jail administration and the Mumbai police are completely tight-lipped about Sanjay Dutt's movement from Mumbai's Arthur Road jail to Pune's Yerwada jail, which is most likely. Police are saying that they have to consider the security aspect. That is why they are considering the security aspect, and that is why the time is going by. Police say that by today afternoon they will come to the conclusion how and where Sanjay Dutt would be shifted. That is what we are getting from the Mumbai police sources, is by afternoon they will come to any sort of conclusion, and the decision will be taken by the senior officers in Mantralaya and the jail administration that where to move Sanjay Dutt and at what time. But right now both the jail administration and Mumbai police are completely tight-lipped about his movement. Back to you.
Right, also now we are hearing that his lawyer has been talking about the fact that Sanjay Dutt could now file a curative petition in the Apex Court. Any news on that?
See, yesterday we spoke to Rizwan Merchant, who was representing Sanjay Dutt for last 6 months in Mumbai Sessions Court. Rizwan Merchant clearly said that they are contemplating to file a curative petition, but they say that right now the Supreme Court is in vacation. The normal Supreme Court will work after 10th of June, and that is when they will start preparing about the curative petition. But Sanjay Dutt will undergo around 8 months to 12 months in jail, and then only he would be applying for the curative petition or for law. So as of now, Sanjay Dutt's lawyers are not saying anything about the curative petition or for law.